Now first as the statistics as question number 1, the question related to the median and mode. Now 2 3 4 5 0 1 3 3 4 3 such that find the mean, median and mode. Now mean is the sum of all the number and the divided by the total number. Mean is the sum of all the number and divided by the total number. The sum of all the numbers 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 0 plus 1 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4 plus 3 is equal to 28 upon 10, that is 2.8. 2.8 is the mean of given frequency distribution. So the second is the median. In the median, first you arrange the number in ascending or descending order. First you arrange the number ascending or descending order, and here the number we arranged in a ascending order, and the total number, first you find the total number. Total number is 10, that is even. So the median equal to n by 2 plus n by 2 plus 1 upon 2. So n equal to 10 and 10 by 2 tx plus 10 by 2 plus 1 tx upon 2 equal to 5 plus 6 upon 2. Therefore 3 plus 3 by 2 equal to 6 by 2 equal to 3. 3 is the median of the given frequency distribution. And the third is the mode. Mode 0 1 2 3 4 3 3 3 3 4 4 5. Now see the highest number of representation is 3. यहाँ पर सबसे ज़्यादा बार जो नंबर लिखा जाता है, वही नंबर हमारा मोड होता है. और यहाँ पर सबसे ज़्यादा बार जो नंबर लिखा गया है वो नंबर क्या है? 3 है. इसलिए हमारा मोड क्या होगा? 3 होगा. ठीक है, क्लियर हुआ? चलो now the second question. 41 39 48 52 46 62 54 40 96 52 98 40 42 52 and 60. Find the mean, median and mode of the given data. The data is given, so first we find the mean, median and mode. For the mean, sum of all the numbers and divided by the total number. So sum of all the number 41 plus 39 plus 48 plus 52 plus 46 plus 62 plus 54 plus 40 plus 96 plus 52 plus 98 plus 40, 42 plus 52 plus 60 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and divided by 50. First you add all the numbers 41, 39, 80, 48, 128, 52, 52, 180, 46, 226, 226 plus 62, 288 plus 54, 342, 40, 2, 3, 382, 96, 478 and 478 plus 52, 530, 98, 628 plus 40, 668 plus 42, 700 plus 60, 52, 756, 752 plus 60, 812. 822 upon 15 and 15 divided 822. That's equal to 54.8 is the mean of given data. 54.8 is the mean of given data. Clear? Now next as the median. In median, first you write the number arranged in ascending or descending order. So first, now lowest number 39, 41, 40, 41, 42,
40 दो बार है
40 and 41. 41, 42, 46, 48, 52, 52, 52, 54, 60, 62, 96, 98. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. n equal to 50, that is odd, and the median equal to n plus 1 by 2 th, that's equal to 15 plus 1 th by 2, that's equal to 16 by 2 th and 8. Now first you observe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the median equal to 52. So the median equal to 52. 52 is the median of given number. So therefore, next as the mode. Now in mode, the highest number of repetition, 52 as the 1, 2 and 3. This is the highest time. 52 as the highest time. So 52 as the many times. So mode equal to 52. So the mode is equal to 52. Clear? As the question number 3, the following observation have been arranged in ascending order if the median of data is 63. The median of data is 63. Then the number is 29, 32, 48, 50, x plus 2, 72, 78, 84 and 95. The number are arranged in ascending order. 29, 32, 48, 50, x plus 2, 72, 78, 84 and 95. So these numbers are already arranged in a ascending order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the median n is equal to 10, that is even, and the median is equal to n by 2 th plus n by 2 plus 1 th upon 2. that's equal to 10 by 2 th plus 10 by 2 plus 1 th upon 2, that's equal to 5th plus 6 upon 2. The median is 63 and the fifth 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 x plus 2 by 2. Now the cross multiply 63 into 2 equal to 2x plus 2. So 2x plus 2 equal to 2 3 are 6, 2 6 are 12, 126, and 2x equal to 126 minus 2, 124, and x is equal to 124 upon 2, that's equal to 62. So the value of x as the 62 and the number x as the place of x 62 and 64. Clear?